Heath wants to take her all the way and be top dog. He definitely kind of needs to beat his baby brother and take this truck a little bit further than Dustin went. But there's been a whole lot of time, a whole lot of money, a whole lot of ideas spent on this truck, and they're about to find out how everything comes together right here, right now at the Grand River Pole. Heath Mulock.
I would laugh, but I don't know.
Getting ready to spool up the Rabid Ram. You gotta bring that RPM up slow, build that turbo boost, and get her ready to dance.